Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel today. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I got in my January 2019 Boxycharm. Don't mind my background. I'm actually in my bedroom because this is the only place where I can find a window with a lot of light, so this is why I'm like leaning against my bed. And yeah, you might also hear noises of cars driving by and honking because this is the brightest window and this is also the window outside to the street. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can keep updated with all my new videos. Also, remember to click on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So here I have the box, and yes, I already opened it because I can never wait until I do a video. This month the theme is Boxy and Chill. That's what it looks like. So this month it didn't come with an open up brochure, but it's just like a little postcard, and back here is all the products. So the first thing that I'm gonna pull out, I've already used some of the stuff. So I have the Tatcha face mask. Yeah, I think this window is a little too bright. So it brings two of them. I already used one. Normally my face is oily and stuff, and this is a luminous dewy skin mask, and I was afraid of using it because of that, because you know my face is oily, and usually when I do like dewy stuff it makes my face look more oily than it is. But I did try it because hey, Tatcha, it's expensive. I've never tried anything from Tatcha, so I tried it and it actually felt really nice. It felt very moisturizing. It felt very nice and good on the skin. Afterwards, usually face masks like that kind of leave my face feeling like too oily, like extra oily and kind of sticky, but that one didn't really feel that way. I did rinse off a little bit of the product, but I left some, so it was just like I wiped off a little bit so that it wouldn't stay too like sticky and oily. But it felt like the remaining one, the remaining that stayed left, I massaged it onto my face and it felt really nice. So I did like that face mask. I also saved the liquid and I did it a second time using a lace mask that we got from Boxycharm. I put the lace mask inside the packet and soaked up the remaining serum and put it on my face again, and I liked that better because I didn't have too much of the serum on my face. It was just a little bit, so it felt much better. So yeah, that's how that face mask worked out. The next thing in my box was this Briogeo Don't Despair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So I did wash my hair 2 days ago and I did add this. My hair is generally very frizzy. I ended up straightening it today. This is generally what my hair is like when I straighten, but my hair is usually very frizzy, like in the clip that I'm going to show you. And afterwards, I mean, it smells really nice. I guess I have to keep using it to like notice any difference, but my hair also has like split ends and it's slightly damaged and dry, so we'll see if this works. I'll just keep using it and see what it's like. It is a leave-in mask, so hopefully it's nice on my hair. I also got this Starlux eyeliner, I haven't opened. So the next thing in my box is this Ofra liquid lipsticks, long-lasting liquid lipstick. I got the shade Havana Nights. I was very excited to get Ofra because I really do enjoy Ofra liquid lipsticks. I think they're long-lasting. They have really great colors. The formula is wonderful, and it feels very nice on the lips. I did feel disappointed because I actually already have it. I have the old packaging, of course, but I do use this often and I really do enjoy it. And finally, the last item in my box is the Tarte Volume 3 palettes, Rainforest of the Sea. And it just looks like this. These are the colors. It's very like neutral. I already have my makeup done. I'm going to try this out and see how it wears and what it looks like. I'm just gonna use this Morphe M510 brush. I'm gonna take the only matte shade in Tiki right here and just put that all over my eyelid. I'm going to use this Morphe E27 brush, and I'm going to take this jewel shade right here. So this shadow is not too dark. I'm gonna use this more precise brush from Ipsy. It's a tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna take this darker purplish color. It's called Malibu. And I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner. These shades don't really like blend together. Now I'm gonna take this Ipsy Luxie 249 double-ended brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Heat Wave right here and just pack that all over the lid. So I don't feel like these shades are blending. I just feel like I have a shimmery mess on my eyelid. So I grabbed this Pretty Roger Nightingale palette because it has some darker matte shades in here that I want to try and use. So I'm gonna go for Hide and Seek, which is this one, and put that in my crease. Oh yeah, I did wipe off the shimmer stuff that I had. Now I'm gonna go back into the Tarte palette, and I'm gonna grab this Malibu shade. But first, I am going to spray some. There's a truck standing right in front of my window. So taking the Luxie mini round brush, also from another Boxycharm, I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus. Hopefully that truck sound is not too annoying. The guy is just there. So I'm going to use the shade Treasure and put that in my inner corner. I already have highlight on, but I'm going to use that same shade and do a little bit over. I'm going to take this Morphe M408 brush, and I'm just going to take some of the same Malibu shade and put that on my lower lash line. finally the liquid lipstick. So I'm going to use my old one because obviously I still have lipstick in there. So the truck is finally gone, or at least it went up the block and it's not so audible in my video. So I ended up finishing up my makeup. I added the liquid lipstick. I wasn't going to try out the eyeliner, but I did want to give this one a chance. But of course, I didn't really like it too much. It was kind of hard. It didn't feel creamy. And then, I don't know if you can tell, it's not really completely black. It just kind of goes on as like just like a grayish or light black line. So to finish up, I realized I didn't give the prices of anything. So the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask was $16. The Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick is $20. The Tarte Volume 3 palette is $36. The Tatcha Luminous Face Mask is $24, and the eye pencil is $19. So in total, this box had a value of $115. Yeah, so for $21 a month, I think that's worth it. I did like most of the products in this, and the face mask and the hair mask, I do have to try it on a little more. The palette was a little hard to blend, but I do like the shimmer colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.